Welcome to episode 5. Man, we've got so much to show you. I just want to make sure that you guys saw that last episode. It's really important. We're partnering with Naomi's house. They're doing some amazing work with women across Chicagoland, so please go check that out. Now we're gonna go inside, and I've got some of the team with me to show you all the things that are happening around the house. You may have noticed, Amy is not here with me. All I keep hearing in all the commentary is, we want more Josh. Well, you got it, baby. Tara is here with me, and she's gonna talk about all the exciting things that are happening. Typically, these guys work with one cabinet company for an entire house. However, we're taking the opportunity to use not one, not two, but 3 cabinet companies.
The kitchen is the highlight of the home, I think. We used Arbor Mills cabinetry in the kitchen and did a 2-tone finish for the cabinet doors. And the island is going to be a beautiful Kalia marble stone, and we've got a really cool detail going in the front that'll really pop right when you walk into the kitchen.
What kind of cool detail?
Well, it's a fluted detail.
Fluted!
We also have a really beautiful, like, curved lines throughout the kitchen. The curve along the hood here, we will have that that will eventually be clad in plaster. And we also mimic that curve on the panel details at the top of the cabinetry there. So we'll have the fridge freezer and then the wine unit from Sub-Zero.
Can you tell me about this copper sculpture we have going on over here? Is this gonna be like this when we move in, or is...
I might need to talk to Amy about that.
I mean, it's beautiful, whoever made it. So Lightology has partnered with us, and they came into the house and they went crazy.
In a good way.
They have implemented so many architectural lighting elements throughout the house. So we've talked a lot about this gallery hallway here. However, what you haven't seen yet is how it's coming together. Creative Millwork is actually doing all the trim work in our house, and Amy has given very detailed instructions on how that should play out.
We wanted to create kind of a more special opening than just having drywall. I also just wanted to protect it a little bit because corners get dinged and nicked. So we have this drywall return. We came in 1 inch, and then we applied 5/4 board. This is poplar. It's gonna receive a high gloss white paint that matches the walls in color. So I will be using Benjamin Moore throughout the whole entire house. I love Benjamin Moore. I'm gonna do a higher gloss, either a semi-gloss, which I haven't used semi-gloss in probably over 10 years. I've been using satin on trim, but I'm kind of into the glossy right now, so I think I'm gonna use semi-gloss on here.
Crazy, I know. Not only is it gonna be high gloss, but Lightology has implemented some architectural lighting that goes around this curved area so that it's gonna get lit up. In fact, I think we can change the colors to whatever color we want. Lots of things are gonna happen in this space right here. So we're in the foyer now, and Isabella's here. She was involved in creating this space.
They already started to install the railing, and they don't have much now, but it's gonna look amazing once it's done.
G&M Ironworks is doing the railing, and they are producing something that is super cool. It's gonna align the whole stairwell from the bottom of the basement all the way up to the top. So we're in one of our daughter's bedrooms, and there's something special about you actually having input in this room. You both love animals, you both love plants.
So it was fun coming up with ideas to harbor all of her plants.
Yeah.
So
and how many does she have?
80 or so.
Like 80,000.
So we worked with iron abode to make custom shelves that go on each side of the window. And all this light will keep those plants alive.
Tell me about the cool hardware that's being installed in.
Martin has supplied us with these beautiful knobs, back plates. We're also putting some mesh on these drawers. She also is doing a trailing viney wallpaper on her bed wall to kind of give it that jungly, organic.
Yeah, it is seriously gonna be like a jungle in here. And she's gonna
That's what she wants. She wants a jungle.
We have a special detail in this room that is probably pretty uncommon in most bedrooms. What is that?
It is a cast iron wall sink. She has a turtle, and it's a pain in the butt to clean the tank. So we put in a sink so she could just have it right here to clean out Mel's habitats.
For those who are asking, our turtle's name is Mel. You'll see that the theme, this nature theme, has carried through into the bathroom.
So she also found a really cool inspo picture of this dark green shower. It was like a cave, and she's like, I want this.
She was actually here the other day, and she saw it for the first time, and she was like, I love it.
Good. That's what we want.
So we are in the primary bedroom, which is a very important room. And Tara here has great input in how this sign plays out.
We worked with Hoosier House to create this custom bed wall for you. So over here, where you see the white along the outside of this frame here is all going to be the wood paneling that'll match this wood finish here. Have some really beautiful graining. And then we've got these built-in nightstands too. We are bringing that two-tone finish look upstairs as well. And this area here is going to be a custom upholstered paneling. Ace Covering helped us out with that. And we'll also have some reveals in between those panels. And then
there's 3 panels?
3 big panels.
3 parts?
Mm-hmm, yep, and it'll be nice fluffy upholstery for you, very luxurious.
Fluffy.
And then we have 2 sconces on either side of the bed, serving as your table lamps, but also reading lamps.
Reading lamps, oh my gosh. Have you guys heard about this thing called reading? I've read 2 books this year. This is gonna be our sofa, I think, and just imagine, feet on the coffee table maybe. So we are in the basement. Man, this is such a cool little space. This is our 3rd cabinet company that we're using, Trimtech, and they did an amazing job down here. Trimtech has put the wood paneling against this cultured stone wall that was already here. They basically scribed this entire wood panel to conform to this stone wall, and it's pretty incredible. So we haven't shown you the backyard yet. However, just imagine a space where you'll feel totally relaxed and peaceful. The pergola is coming along really well. So underneath the pergola, we'll have kind of a nice sitting area. And then beyond that, we'll have the cooking station. So not only do we have an actual grill, but we've got a pizza oven, we've got a beverage fridge clad with the cultured stone that we mentioned that we're using in the basement. Against this back wall, McNichols is gonna be fabricating this really cool metal mesh wall where we'll have our TV on, but it kind of still allows for kind of the space to be open. And then Lightology worked in architectural lighting features throughout this space. Additionally, we are installing a pool right where I stand almost from Soak Pools. We're calling them a cocktail pool. It's like 6 by 10, warm in the winter, cold in the summer. It's gonna be awesome. We're also gonna be incorporating these massive fire bowls from Kindred Outdoor. That's just really gonna make the space super cozy and really inviting. All right, that was episode 5. Please stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be great. And I'm sure Amy will probably come alongside me again